While we plan for traveling, the biggest planning is required relating to packing. Deciding on what things we should carry and what things we should not carry is one of the crucial part. And बहुत लोगों के साथ ऐसा भी होता है कि कभी-कभी हम ओवर पैक कर लेते हैं या फिर कुछ इम्पॉर्टेंट चीज़ें मिस भी कर जाते हैं. Welcome back guys. Hi, this is Sujita. Welcome back to your channel Hit, Hack, Idea and Trick. आज के टॉपिक से आप समझ गए होंगे कि मैं आपको कैप्सूल पैकिंग के बारे में बताना चाह रही हूँ. बट बिफोर वी जंप इनटू व्हाट इज़ कैप्सूल पैकिंग, I just wanted to give you an idea. This is derived from a term capsule wardrobe. So in short, it is nothing but collection of basic clothes which do not change over a period of time, or maybe which will not go out of the trend for a longer period of time, if that makes sense. Although I do not follow capsule wardrobe, but I thought for traveling purpose, sometimes people can get engaged into capsule packing because not everyone will want to carry heavy stuffs while they are traveling, and at the same time they don't want to miss out on important events or maybe important things which they should be carrying while they are traveling. So इसी से रिलेटेड ये वीडियो है. चलिए शुरू करते हैं. बट उससे पहले मैं आपसे ये एक चीज़ पूछना चाहती हूँ. डू यू गाइज लाइक ट्रैवलिंग? If your answer is yes, definitely comment me on this video so that I can make more videos relating to traveling. So without further delay, let's get started. So सबसे पहला point, while you are traveling to any particular place, is important for us to understand which place you are going. You will already be knowing which place you will be traveling. तो वहाँ का वेदर हमें पता होना ज़रूरी होता है, बिकॉज उसी बेसिस पे आप अपने कपड़ों को डिसाइड करेंगे. एंड सिमिलरली यू विल बी पैकिंग स्टफ्स. नाउ सेकेंड थिंग विल बी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, दैट इज़ व्हाट काइंड ऑफ बैगेज यू आर गोइंग टू टेक. मे बी लगेज आपका कैसा होना है, वेदर इट इज़ गोइंग टू बी अ बैग पैक और जस्ट वन बैग or maybe a traveling suitcase. That is something which we have to decide. Hence we are talking about capsule packaging. तो आपके लगेज बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं होंगे, it will only be one, but how you can add all this stuff in one suitcase, that is the key over here. Third thing is, when you are deciding on color, there are certain things which you have to keep in mind. So either you will be wearing t-shirt, jeans, shorts or whatsoever, the colors should be neutral. So in that scenario you can pick black, white, grey, skin color or navy blue. These are some of the basic things which you can mix and match with several other items, so that every time when you are wearing anything you will be getting new dress. वो भी मैं थोड़ी देर में समझाऊंगी कि कैसे आप इनको मिक्स एंड मैच कर सकते हो. बट मूविंग ऑन टू अनदर पॉइंट, कीप इन माइंड दैट यू आर कीपिंग ओनली इंडिविजुअल आइटम्स, नॉट कंप्लीट सेट, बिकॉज उसकी वजह से आपकी स्पेसिंग ज़्यादा हो जाएगी लगेज में. सो ऑलवेज पिक दोज थिंग्स विच यू कैन मिक्स एंड मैच, दैट विल गिव यू मोर स्पेस. एट द सेम टाइम वेरिएशंस आपके ड्रेसेस के बहुत ज़्यादा हो जाएंगे. Another point is that you have to keep in mind whatever you are going to wear, if in any of the manner these things are going to give you a layering, that will also give you a new look altogether. So layering is also very important. Moving on to next point, wherein you have to keep in mind that you have to add colors. Obviously neutral color will be your base, but you have to add some pop of color, because that will actually give you a complete personality when you are traveling. So इसमें भी मैं बताऊंगी कि आप क्या क्या चीज़ें ऐड कर सकते हो, but let me just go through the points which is there, which could be kept in mind while you are packing capsule. Now coming to accessories and some of the items which can add a character to whole of your getup. So you can add cap, scarf, then maybe watch, wallet, handbags. So these are some of the items which will give you additional benefit while you are preparing yourself to go out anywhere. Let's see what all things I will be having. So I have one white t-shirt, one black t-shirt, one half sleeves white t-shirt, one cap, red color for pop of color. Now one black shorts, one flared leg pant, and then one blue jeans. Now I have also one shirt for layering, one night party dress and two night dresses, one towel for emergency, one belt for accessories and one scarf for accessories, and one handbag. I will be using my t-shirts as a base, and then with accessories and pop-off colors I'll be adding and doing mix and match. So as you can see, with white t-shirt I have paired my jeans and now the short, and I have used this hat to add color. I'm also adding accessories as and when needed. On this look you can see that I will be adding a scarf so that I can get additional pop-off color. Getting any of these looks are not that tough, it's very easy. As I mentioned that I am only using my t-shirt as base, I am changing my look now and then, and with accessories I'm playing where I have to wear my hat, where I have to use shoes or maybe slippers. That is up to us. For slippers and shoes I will be talking a little bit later, but for now I am using it so that I can give you the proper look what all you can do with all of these items which I have shown right now. So as of now you can see that with just one t-shirt I'm getting 3 looks each. So in total I'll be getting like 9. You can also try going complete black or complete white. For layering I'm using this shirt with the dress which I showed earlier. So this is actually a night party dress, wherein if in case you want to wear it to go out but not give that much of look of party, you can make it casual and you can wear it as usual. You can use these shirts for layering in several other items also. That is up to you how you want to utilize it. Seventh item is, no doubt, you have to keep your undergarments. On that I will say that you can keep the number of days in mind. So for example, if you're traveling for 5 days, you just divide it by 2. So you will be getting 2.5. So at least 3 pair of sets should be there with you. You will be having 2 pair additional always, so that you can change it and you can wear it. Using these transparent bags to keep my undergarments properly. Another point is you have to pack sleepwear. So usually what I prefer is I only keep 2 pair of sleepwear, which I actually interchange every day. That depends. If it is not clean, I will take benefit of laundry, which will be provided in the hotel as well, and you can get it washed and then you can reuse it. And at the same time, if you are using only 2 pair, that is not going to take too much of space in your luggage. Now another thing wherein I go wrong most of the time is shoes and slippers, what all to carry. There also I will keep in mind those slippers and shoes which I can wear with almost all of my outfit, and at the same time it does not take that much of space. But what I prefer doing is I take one traveling shoes or maybe walking shoes you can say, then one slipper and one sandal. These are the 3 items which I will be preferring, and those will be matching with the outfit which I'll be wearing when I am at travel. These are my walking shoes, super comfortable. I'll be using it and I've worn it with some of the dresses. These are the slippers which I'm taking, super flat and comfortable, and one house slipper which I will be adding so that if in case inside I'll be needing it, I can use it. Another important items which you have to keep in mind is toiletries. Although there is one simple suggestion which I will be giving, in most of the hotels where you will be going to stay, they will be providing some of the stuffs to you, but I know everyone is different, everyone's skin is different, and everyone prefer different items for themselves. So if it is not avoidable for you, so just keep those items which is necessary for you, and you can ditch those items which is not necessary, and you can survive for couple of days by using the hotel products. So maybe they will be giving you shampoo, shower gel, and soap. So these are some of the items which you can skip, but at the same time on toiletries you have to add all the important items. Those important items could be your medicine, your comb, cream. I mean, this is up to you what all things will be important for you which you cannot live without. In this toiletry bag, I'm taking limited but smaller items like lipstick, medicine, perfume, deo, clutcher, pen, etc. along with some basic items which is needed by me. Very important thing, while you are packing all of these items, you have to keep in mind that there are certain documents which has been required. So if you are traveling outside your country, you will be required to keep a passport. If in case you are not traveling out of your country, then also certain documents are required by some of the people. Like right now the situation is of corona, so in some of the hotels or maybe some of the transit at the airport, you will be asked to give certain certificates of your COVID test. So keep this thing well prepared before even start packing for your travel. Items like passport, ID proof, cash along with wallet. These are important. So now when all of these items are being decided by you, you have to decide what all events you are going to attend. Now when you are traveling, there could be certain situations wherein you are planning to just enjoy your anniversary or maybe your birthday. It could be anything. So you have to decide what all things you will be needing to wear in the morning, afternoon, or maybe if you are planning to go for a night out or planning for just a date night, then accordingly you have to decide your dresses or maybe clothes. A simple and versatile dress is going to be a good example for this. Now this part is very important. So when we travel, we definitely shop some or the other things. It could be a souvenir from wherever you are traveling or maybe some things for your family members. That space should be there in your luggage compartment so that when you're coming back, you are not getting extra bag with yourself. Although you can do that, but if you will keep that particular space already in mind, you will be able to accommodate everything in one particular baggage which you are taking while you are traveling. After folding all the items properly, I'll one by one stack everything into this particular suitcase, and I'll make sure that everything gets its proper space. And if in case I have to revisit and reduce some of the items, I can definitely do that. I'll be using the upper compartment to keep the shoes and everything, and still there will be lot many space. I will also be sanitizing and cleaning the bag before leaving. I will be utilizing one pair of dress from this suitcase and some of the accessories which I have kept out, which I'll be needing while traveling, so that it does not add that much of space in this suitcase. And there are certain important things which I will need while I'm traveling, so I'll keep those things aside into another bag. Now all of these items are going to give you two benefits, and the benefits could be more, but as per me, first of all, your luggage will be light and you will feel really confident when you are traveling, because there will be not much of things in your hand, and at the same time, if your baggage is very small, you can get your check-in and check-out fast, you know that. Another thing is, when you have planned all of your outfits all together beforehand, like maybe on first day you are going to wear this in the morning and afternoon whatever you will be changing, or maybe in evening you have a party decided, so you will know what all dresses you have to wear as per the event, and you will not invest too much of time in deciding on your outfit. So your lots of time is saved and you will be able to enjoy your vacation a little bit more peacefully and eventfully. So with all of these items, I know there could be some of the things which I might have missed. If there is something which I'm missing, definitely comment below and I would be able to add that while I'm traveling next time, and it could be beneficial for some of the people who might be watching this particular video and they can take that particular point into consideration. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe. अगर आप ये चैनल की वीडियो दूसरी बार देख रहे हैं तो यूनिवर्स हैज़ ऑलरेडी टोल्ड यू दैट यू हैव टू सब्सक्राइब, so definitely subscribe to this channel. I'll be back with something new on your favorite channel, Hit. तब तक के लिए bye.